Roomba Masters. This is Nathan and this is Caitlin. We got the new ride-on child's toy. This is the LG CordZero R9. And guess what? You can entertain the daughter. There you go. Whee! Here we go, spinning around. So, whenever your child's bored, stick them on a robot vacuum. They can clean and have a little fun.
So we can do everything out of town.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye, Nathan. Bye, adios.
Adios. Kids, be safe, wear a helmet.
I don't have a helmet. I'm not the helmet.
Yeah, you have a helmet. There you go. What do you think of the robot?
Good.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? There you go. Yep, okay. So, you can stand up. So that one was a little too much weight.
Place on the home base to charge.
Back there. Okay, put your hands up. There you go. Hold on. See if this one works. It's like, hey. There we go, it's going. Put your hands up. Okay, so this is the iLife w400. Slow down, Caitlin, you're going too fast.
What? This one, my room is closed. How do you ever say that? Here's the camera, Nathan. I'm going through.
I know, you can crash into the camera.
Oh no, it's going to cut into the robots. Move out the way, Nathan. Goodbye, Nathan.
See you later.
See you later, adios.
Have fun mopping my floors.
Because these floors are really dirty. Bye.
See you later. And I'm using this remote control to control it.
I'm gonna crash.
Nope, you're the crash. So, if you like this type of video, please smash the like button. Helps me gauge if this video is popular or not. And my daughter loved doing this challenge. She got to ride on some cool robots and demonstrate how much these robots can move around. This is about 33 pounds, so some robots could do it. But the last one, the Braava M6, could not move. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name's Nathan and this is Robot Masters, and you can clearly see I do a lot of crazy robot reviews, unboxings, overviews, testings, you name it, I do everything. So have a great rest of your day, be safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.